Your restaurant doesn't have a manager problem. It has a lack of management systems problem. Okay, welcome back to part 3 of this 7-part video series on creating an entire restaurant operating system using ChatGPT. And today, we're creating a manager handbook using ChatGPT, which is so important. Way more important than you may realize, because most restaurant managers are promoted because they're great employees. They might have been former servers or bartenders, but it's usually not because anyone actually taught them how to manage. All right, they didn't go to school for it. So they end up learning on the fly, like how to coach employees, handle call-outs, manage labor, deal with customer complaints, run a shift, and basically just holding people accountable. And when every manager handles those situations differently, the entire restaurant becomes inconsistent and it sort of just falls apart. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to create a comprehensive manager handbook customized to your restaurant using my prompts. Okay, I'm going to give you the exact prompts that you're going to enter into ChatGPT so we can build clear standards for leadership and communication, employee discipline, shift management, training, cash control, guest recovery, and just overall daily manager responsibilities. And by the end, you'll have a handbook that shows every manager exactly what is expected of them and how to lead your restaurant the same way every shift. Okay, so let's jump right in. As stated in the previous videos in this series, in order to get the prompts, you need access to my AI prompt library. The link is in the description or right up here. You just enter your email and I will send you instant access to the page that you're going to see here, which has all the blueprint prompts, okay? As well as all my checklists for free. Big bonus there. So let's head to the AI prompt library, and we're just going to scroll down here. We've already done these two in the first 2 videos. We are now on number 3, and we're just going to hit download. And it's going to open it up immediately. And right off the bat, it's going to give you a summary of what we're doing to build this handbook. I'm not going to read it to you. You can read it yourself. We talk about how it works, the instructions for doing this. And as usual, we have restaurant details that you need to enter in order to customize the handbook to make it for your restaurant. Once again, I explained this before, but if you just take a few minutes each day to fill in the information, you can even use ChatGPT, say, hey, for some of the more general stuff, like some of this stuff, restaurant name, concept, like you need mission statement. A lot of this, if you already did it in the previous videos, you can use again, which is fantastic. Responsibilities, a lot of the stuff you can just leave to ChatGPT to fill out for you. So you don't have to fill out every detail if you don't want. You do need the who for all this. Who does this stuff? You know, which manager, the GM, the assistant manager, if you want to put names in there, you know, who looks at all this stuff. You might want to enter your ordering schedule, your inventory schedule, your par levels for all this. Fill out what you think is necessary and leave what you don't want to do, okay? But the more details you enter, the better your handbook's going to be. But like a lot of this stuff, leadership expectations, you could leave this to ChatGPT to come up with. And if you don't like any section of the handbook that it comes up with, you can ask it to revise it and make it better using the details that you want. That's what's great about ChatGPT. It remembers your conversations and you can just do it over. So you're going to copy paste this into a Word or a Google Doc. You're going to answer all the questions, and then we're going to copy paste it back into ChatGPT. I have already, as in the other videos, created fictional answers for all this. So I'm just going to paste this information into the prompt in order to save time. So let's head back here. We're going to assume this is all done. So we're going to go down to prompt number 1, and we're going to copy this and we're going to paste it into ChatGPT. So you just have to go to chatgpt.com for your account, and you can see this says the prompt 1 continued. So remember that there's more than just this one page here that we have to copy paste. So I'm going to copy this here, Control C or Command C, and I'm going to head to ChatGPT. I'm going to enter it. And then I'm going to hit Shift Return so I can add more stuff. Otherwise, if I just hit Enter, it's going to enter the prompt. And then I'm going to copy paste this. And before I hit Enter for the prompt, I'm going to put all the restaurant details in there as well. So the first prompt always has a lot to put in there. So I'm going to paste. Then I'm going to hit Shift Enter. So we get another line. I'm going to go back here. I'm going to get all these restaurant details. Let's go select all, copy. I'm going to put this into ChatGPT. This is all done for you. And then we're going to send the prompt. Now it's going to start creating the handbook for you immediately. And again, just like the other videos, you can see how fast it is. And this is systemizing your entire restaurant. So we'll give it a second to pump that out. And then we're going to go back here to the prompt blueprint. And we're going to go to prompt 2. And it's going to create a manager duties for all of this. And then it's going to have a 5-question quiz at the end. So we're going to copy this. And actually, before we do that, you want to make sure that you are copy pasting this into a Word or Google Doc so you have it, right? So we don't lose it on here. So this is complete. And when it puts it in this little box like this, you can just hit this little copy symbol. And then you can go to your Google or Word doc. I have a blank one here, and we'll just paste. And there's the start of it. Okay, and then it's going to go to the next one. So I have to go down to the next page because it's starting a new section. Come on now. There it is. Now we're going to go back to this prompt. We're going to copy it. We're going back to chat. And we're going to paste that and send the prompt. Now it's going to start creating the next section. That's how fast it goes. Okay, but you have to have the prompts that are extremely detailed. So you don't have to come up with those. I came up with those for you so it can create this handbook for you. All right, it's still writing. It's still writing. Oh, you're so slow, ChatGPT. No, I'm just kidding. Still going. It's remarkable. This is going to be a gigantic handbook, but you can see how easy it is to read. It's laid out in a very scannable, easy way for your managers to look at. And you can have them just go through one section at a time when you're training them. And then it has all the quizzes here at the end. Now I'm going to take this one. It's going to be separate. And I'm just going to hit this copy symbol again. I'm going back to my document. And I'm just going to hit paste. And now we have section 2. Then I'm going to go back and I'm going to enter prompt 3. And then I'm going to do 4. It's going to create an entire handbook for your managers on how to do shit in your restaurant so you don't even have to be there. And then again, like a lot of the other blueprints, we have improve and revise. So if there's any chapters or sections that you look at and you don't like, you can redo them. Okay, you can copy, paste this prompt in there, or you can enter your own prompt. And then on the final prompt, you're going to copy paste this. It's going to create a table of contents, a 25-question manager certification test. It'll have the answer key for you, and everything at the end of the manager's handbook. And it's created it all for you right here once again. And that's it. All right, you're good to go. And if you've been following these in order, you now have 3 pieces of your operating system: the employee handbook, the standard operating procedures manual, all right, your SOPs, lingo, and now the manager's handbook. In the next video, we're going to be creating an entire hiring process using chat, including job posts, interview questions. So make sure to check it out. All right, thanks for being here. I'll see you at the next video. I'm out.